What the?
What are you doing?
You're not looking, bro. I almost hit him, and then I almost took her. She didn't have her signal light on. You know what I mean?
I'm in front.
Alright, well, you got the other one that I almost stopped. I was like literally 5 seconds. I was almost on top of it. Use your signal light and use your hand signals or something, man. Watch what you're doing, man. Keep out of it.
Jesus Christ.
Current loop video is now off.
Since I said I missed him,
Dumbass. Hurry up then.
North Carolina, and now you can listen to Hair Nation on Channel 39, Sirius XM.
It wasn't your turn.
To the party, BBC on Bacardi. Section with the goofy niggas Bobby. Black with the switch, got that shit on my bum and say lady with them sticks.